disembarkment day. We're all packed. We didn't get any videos yesterday because I was a little bit stressed. Hurricane Helene went up to a category 4, and there was a lot of discussion about how we were going to get delayed to get to port to a point where we're going to miss our flight. So luckily I messaged word, so we were able to get my travel agent / my sister to change our flight to Sunday, and we're just gonna make the best of it and go to Magic Kingdom tomorrow. We're gonna stay at All Star Movies. That'll be really great. We've never been. We've only been to Wilderness Lodge for Disney World, and we get to experience another property and check it out. So it'll be fun. The Navigator app has activities extended through until 5:30, so who knows when we'll be able to get off the ship. Good thing is the new show Agatha All Along is going to be showing at the theater, so maybe we'll be able to catch that. But yeah, making the best of the situation. But we'll check out Disney Springs today if we get off the ship in time, and we'll have some more videos for Magic Kingdom again.
Enjoy your videos.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, the port moves. Is it 12:30?
12:30.
12:30 we got out and had to purchase
Last minute tickets to a shuttle to get to our resort.
Yeah.
And they're not even leaving until 1:45.
Yeah, so we definitely would have missed our flight. And the cost of Ubers and Lyft to get to the airport right after you get off the ship is much more. I think we were looking at like 120, 130. Granted, like you get to leave quicker probably, but
If you're two people, do the shuttle. But if you're more, just do an Uber or Lyft. It's probably a little bit more cost effective.
Yeah, I mean, the videos that I saw too, they said, you know, if you book 2 to 4 o'clock, you'd be fine getting off the ship. Maybe if the ship is on time, better not risk it and just take it late. Let's see how All-Star is.
Yep.
This makes sense. I didn't know Herbie was a part of Disney. I've never seen it.
I know.
I figured
Lindsay Lohan would.
Bad.
I don't think there was issues with your GoPro though the last time.
No. It broke like right after this.
Yep.
Look at these.
Saw those online.
Do you want a big food?
Double gear.
Luscious.
It's like Disney because the Muppets.
So says Andy. So says Andy.
So today we made it to All-Star Movies Resort. Walked around a little bit, dropped off our luggage, and then went to Disney Springs. I think the whole traveling situation just exhausted me, at least, and I just called it quits after an hour and a half. So we came back to the resort, took some clips of all the different statues and just the theming of the All-Star Movies Resort. It's really cool. You get to see different areas and there's giant statues of things. I honestly had no idea what to expect. My sister just said, hey, this is going to be a good value resort for you and you'll be able to hit the parks early in the morning, have a good time, and then come back. Honestly, our first steps into the resort, I was like, this feels like a motel vibe, but you open the door and it's honestly pretty nice. Granted, we have all of our stuff just sprawled out. And Caitlin was able to find some pants from Uniqlo. We love Uniqlo. The neighbors, we have a conjoining room. They're a little loud. They have kids, but what can you do? It's a Disney resort. But yeah, excited for the parks tomorrow. Early theme park entry tomorrow should be at 8:30. There's not going to be a Halloween party, sadly. I thought there was going to be, not because we could get tickets because they're all sold out, but usually on those days there's going to be like no wait time. Everything's going to be a walk-on, but I think it's just going to be packed. It's going to be a normal Disney World day, theme park day, so we'll see how it goes. Again, Caitlin and I just really enjoy the atmosphere, looking at things. We're not super big into rides. We'll jump on them if they're like a walk-on or pretty short. Again, not die-hard ride fans, but that's about it. Probably have another video if this one's not long enough, but I'll take you along for Disney World tomorrow.